reactions also coming in. And this is Kalyan Banerjee as well, who, of course, hails from the state of West Bengal and has been part of the TMC. He said that the judge should not be making loose comments. That's what he said. And that not just this, he's also said that the judges are making these kind of comments to gain TRPs. So questioning why these observations are being made on the part of the Supreme Court on contentious matters such as these. Let's in fact listen into that reaction coming in from Kalyan Banerjee.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अभी सीजीआई ने कहा है कि क्या हम घुसपैठियों को ऐसे ही अंदर आने देंगे, क्या रेड कारपेट उनके लिए बिछा देंगे। कड़ी टिप्पणी की है घुसपैठियों को लेकर, क्या
देखिए उनका टिप्पणी का जवाब हम नहीं देंगे। उनका टिप्पणी का जवाब देना हमारा शोभा नहीं मिलता है, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया है। लेकिन हम एक बात बोलूं, जो सब जज को कोई लूज कमेंट करना नहीं चाहिए। पहले जो था हमारा इंडियन जुडिशियरी में, जज लोग कम बात करते थे और जजमेंट के जो बोलना है वो बोलते थे। अभी क्या हो गया, पूरा टेंडेंसी बदल गया। आजकल जज लोग ज्यादा बात करते हैं टीआरपी बढ़ाने के लिए, जजमेंट नहीं देते हैं। दैट इज ऑल डिफिकल्टी।
दादा, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अभी सीजीआई ने कहा है कि क्या हम घुसपैठियों को ऐसे ही।
So that was the Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament, Mr. Kalyan Banerjee, questioning what the Supreme Court has said in the matter pertaining to Rohingyas. Chief Justice of India, Justice Surya Kant, had made some strong oral observations questioning the legal status of Rohingyas as refugees. In fact, he said that they enjoy no such legal status as refugees in India. Let's in fact once again listen into what Kalyan Banerjee has said.
दादा, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अभी सीजीआई ने कहा है कि क्या हम घुसपैठियों को ऐसे ही अंदर आने देंगे, क्या रेड कारपेट उनके लिए बिछा देंगे। कड़ी टिप्पणी की है घुसपैठियों को लेकर, क्या
देखिए उनका टिप्पणी का जवाब हम नहीं देंगे। उनका टिप्पणी का जवाब देना हमारा शोभा नहीं मिलता है, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया है। लेकिन हम एक बात बोलूं, जो सब जज को कोई लूज कमेंट करना नहीं चाहिए। पहले जो था हमारा इंडियन जुडिशियरी में, जज लोग कम बात करते थे और जजमेंट के जो बोलना है वो बोलते थे। अभी क्या हो गया, पूरा टेंडेंसी बदल गया। आजकल जज लोग ज्यादा बात करते हैं टीआरपी बढ़ाने के लिए, जजमेंट नहीं देते हैं। दैट इज ऑल डिफिकल्टी।
दादा, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अभी सीजीआई ने कहा।
Well, we have a response coming in from the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Shehzad Poonawalla, joins us. Shehzad, I didn't really know that the Chief Justice of India, among other judges of the Supreme Court, really cared about TRPs, but Kalyan Banerjee certainly thinks so.
Kalyan Banerjee actually cares about voting rating points. So vote bank rating points. So he cares about VRP, vote bank rating points. And therefore, for vote bank rating points, the TMC is now alleging and accusing and blaming and attacking even the institution of constitution like Supreme Court. They are making this comment on CGI. The CGI only said Rohingyas can't be given a red carpet. But then TMC says that Rohingyas to apne hain. They in fact nowadays say that Rohingyas should be given all the rights, otherwise there will be a civil war in this country. In 2005, Mamata Banerjee had a different stand. So the Ghuspetia Prem of Bengal, of TMC is now reaching such levels that Kalyan Banerjee is attacking the Chief Justice of India, the Supreme Court, and is saying that this Chief Justice is making statements for TRPs. This is an insult of constitutional institutions. Recently, we have seen Firhad Hakim, we have seen the leaders of TMC, they have attacked Election Commission too over SIR. So this Ghuspetia Prem of TMC has now reached such levels that from Babri Masjid reconstruction to attacking the Chief Justice over Rohingyas.
Thanks for that, Shehzad. We'll wait and see as to whether or not the rest of the TMC decides to distance itself from the comments made by Kalyan Banerjee, or is that unlikely? We'll wait and see. We'll take a short break. We'll come back with more on the other side.